Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. So, today we are going to do lab 4, Internet Domain Name System. Okay, for question number 1, we need to using the DIC to find the IP address for ulearn.utem.edu.my. So, here is the IP address for ulearn.utem.edu.my. Next, what is the expiration time for this record? So this is expiration time 3144. Next, for number 3, what does the NS means? NS is a name server. Name server used for DNS propagation to point the domain name. Next, for question number 4, we need to compare the query time between host to server and client to server. Okay, for host to server, okay, this is for host to server. The query time is 47 milliseconds. And then next for client to server, you use www.yahoo.com. Okay. The query time for this is 191 millisecond. So the client to server query time is larger than host to server query time. That's for task 1. Tommy will continue for task 2.
Hi sir, I'm Tommy. So I will continue on part 2, which is understanding the hierarchy. So for this problem, we will go through the steps of resolving a particular name host in our lab here, which is ulearn.utem.edu.my. So right now for number 5, so why does this particular command, which is dig.ns, return the names of the root name servers? So the root name server is shown as any possible name servers that know about our desired domain, such as ulearn.utem.edu.my here. So I will briefly explain that dig is a networking utility that can query DNS servers and perform DNS lookup. So first, I will enter the command .ns. So it shows a list, okay, of the name of the root DNS servers. So we continue on number 6. So to use dig, we must ask one of the root servers, okay, to the address of ulearn.utem.edu.my without recursion. So what command I should use? So let's say I take the first one here, h.root-servers.net. So I copy it. So let's say okay, to look up for ulearn.utem.edu.my plus no recursion, recurse. As I enter, as you can see, it shows here. We find out the name of the TLD, which is top level domain servers for the .my domain. Okay, so as you can see, we can take a.nic.my and we can proceed to number 7 then. So right now we have to manually look up until we get the IP address of utem.edu.my. So alias a.nic. Okay, enter. So right now it will list down here. We need to find out the names of the authoritative servers for the utem.edu.my domain. So here it lists a.mynic central nic-dns.com. Copy it. So right now I use command. So we'll try to look up. Now it shows utem01.utem.edu.my. Now I think we're almost there already. So we need to use this and paste it here. Press enter. So now we can find the IP address, which is 103.198.52.31 for ulen.utem.edu.my. So this is the IP address. That's all, sir. Thank you.